Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel. Today we explore some small entryway decorating ideas for 2023. Your entryway sets the tone for your entire home, and we are here to help you make a lasting first impression. Whether you have a cozy corner or a narrow space to work with, we have got a variety of entryway decor solutions to suit your style. In this video, we will walk about creative ways to optimize even the smallest of entryways. Our small entryway ideas are designed to make the most of your limited space, offering both functionality and aesthetic appeal. From entryway shoe storage ideas to compact furniture arrangements, we will share tips that help you create a welcoming atmosphere while staying organized. Your entryway is like a sneak peek into your home personality, so a night make it shine. We will explore various design options from modern interior design ideas to charming for decorating ideas. Whether you are aiming for a sleek, minimalist look or cozy, inviting vibe, our suggestions will inspire your creative vision. Get ready to discover the hottest trends in interior decor for the coming year. We will discuss the perfect balance of function and aesthetics, keeping your space clutter-free while adding stylish touches. Stay tuned for our interior decorating ideas for 2023, ensuring your interior remains on trend top. For those who love a hands-on approach, we have got you covered. Learn how to transform your interview into simple DIY projects and unique interview wall decor ideas. Customizing your space is all about infusing your personality into the design, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. I hope you will like these design ideas, and please comment us if you find my video useful. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates, and keep on watching my videos. Thank you so much.